Okay guys, another tutorial here, and today we are going to be focusing on how to create simple smooth zoom in and out on CapCut Desktop in 2025. So there are several ways to create smooth zoom in and out, but this is the method I recommend for beginners because it's very easy. So I have my clips here. You should always get your clips, and I also have my audio here. So we are going on to first import our audio. We'll first import our audio, which I have here. Let me increase the volume a bit. Okay, so this is my audio, and now we'll go on to import all our clips. Alright, you can choose to do them one by one, but I like to import all my clips so I'll see what I'm working with. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to sync our videos to our audio. So you must know the number of videos you are going to use. So I would say the first thing you should always do is to mark your audio. Right, so mark your audio to find out and how many clips you need. All right, so let's go on and do that. My audio might not be the same as yours, so whatever audio you have, just use the same method I am doing. I'm going to mark it here as well. So we're going to cut here, we're going to cut here. Okay, so now that we are done marking the beat and syncing it according to, next thing we are going to do is you select all the videos that you want to apply the smooth zoom to, and then you go to speed and you change the speed to 0.6 or 0.5, and then you go on to trim it again. So the reason why we added the markers is because after we slow it down, the videos are going to be longer, the clips are going to be longer. So now that we have marked it, we'll be able to find out exactly where to cut it. So go on and do that. Okay, so now that we are done, we can play it and see how it looks like. All right, so now we're going to start with smooth zoom in. So smooth zoom in will go from this place. I'm going to change this marker to red. This is where we will start the zoom out. So to zoom in, what we're going to do is we're going to place our first keyframe here, and then we'll drag the timeline bar to anywhere on the clip, and we'll increase it by how much you want. So for example, use 120, and then you drag that keyframe to the end of the clip. So when you play it, this is how it will look like. Now you apply the same thing for all the clips. Okay, so to copy and paste the keyframes, I'm going to use a technique here. So you select the one you have already applied the keyframes to, you right click, you go to copy attribute, and you select the ones you want to apply the keyframes to, and you right click again on any of the clips. You go to paste attributes, you untick this, as well, you keep this the way it is, and you select stretch to fit, and then you paste. Now the keyframe has been applied to all the clips. So now here we are going to do the smooth zoom out. Here we did the zoom in, here we're going to do zoom out. So zoom out, we're going to use this clip, right? So we'll increase the initial to 120, and then we'll add a keyframe. You move the bar anywhere on the line, reduce it to 100, and then you stretch it. So when you play it back, you can see it's zooming out. Okay, so now we're going to apply it to all the clips, just like how we did to the first part. Okay, so you select this, you go to copy attributes and select the remaining clips, right click again, paste attributes, untick this and untick this, select stretch to fit and paste. Now we have our smooth zoom in and zoom out. So to make your transitions move smoother, you can go ahead and add the mix transition. So you go into transition, and then you search for mix, and then you apply it to all your clips. Now our video is ready, so when we play it back, this is what we have. So basically we are done. We can end it here, but then in order for it to be smoother, you're going to highlight all the clips that you apply the slow motion to. You go to speed, you select smooth slow-mo, and you change it to optical flow. This will make sure the clips are smoother because we slow them down, so it will make the clips smoother for you. So now that it's done, let's check out the final work. So that's simple as that, and we're done now. How to make smooth zoom in and out. If there's any edits you want to learn, any template you want me to break down, or any technique that you want to learn, let me know down in the comment section. I have my socials on this side of the screen. You can also message me personally if you have questions or any other thing at all regarding editing. Until next time.